My message to the Uyghur people and all the Turkic people all over the world, in fact, is that it may not seem like it when you look at what's happening on the geopolitical level, when you look at what governments and statesmen are doing, but when it comes to the average Muslim, when it comes to the Muslim Ummah in general, we are standing with you, we are standing by you. The general Muslim masses, whenever they learn about what's happening in East Turkestan, what's happening to the Uyghur brothers and sisters, they feel a deep sense of hurt, as this is part of our body, our ummah. It's historically the eastern flank, the eastern frontier of this ummah, and we, as an ummah, we feel for what's happening for the Uyghurs, and we feel a sense of duty, and we want to do whatever we can, and we should do whatever we can to help our Uyghur brothers and sisters who are facing essentially genocide at the moment. And my message to the Muslims in Europe in particular and the world at large, we have, particularly in Europe and the Western world, we have an extra duty. We have the rights, we have the privileges that many Muslims, especially those who are under direct oppression, that they don't have, and that is to be able to speak, to be able to use our voices. And if we have this privilege, if we have this ability, this right, we absolutely have to use it, and it increases the responsibility on our shoulders. So we should be at the forefront, and in many cases, many people will tell you, what happens in these Western countries, it has knock-on effects. It causes ripples throughout the Muslim world. So we have an extra duty to be on the frontiers of standing up for the Uyghur cause, standing up for our brothers and sisters who are facing genocide in East Turkestan at the hands of the CCP, the Chinese Communist Party. So anyone who has any information, anyone who comes across this, it becomes incumbent upon you. You cannot be a bystander. You cannot be a passive witness. We have to work towards helping raise awareness of this situation, bringing some kind of international attention to it, and hopefully bringing some kind of solutions to the table. But it all starts by us relinquishing and going against this natural tendency sometimes to just be a bystander, just be a spectator, and we have to actually get up, stand up and do something.